Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Yangzhou fried rice. We'll start by gathering all the fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is prepped and ready to go. Then, I'll guide you through the simple steps of stir-frying, from cooking the eggs to combining all the wonderful flavors. You'll learn how to achieve that perfect restaurant-quality texture and taste right in your own kitchen, making this classic dish a new favorite. For truly authentic Yangzhou fried rice, the ingredients are key. You'll need 3 cups of cold, day-old cooked rice, which is essential for that fluffy texture. We'll also use 100 grams of diced char siu and 100 grams of fresh shrimp. Don't forget 2 large eggs, whisked, and about 1/4 cup of chopped green onions. Finally, prepare 1/2 cup of mixed vegetables, like peas and carrots, for color and crunch. Now let's get cooking. First, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in your wok over high heat until it's shimmering. Add your whisked eggs and quickly scramble them until just set, then remove and set aside. Next, stir-fry the diced char siu, shrimp, and mixed vegetables for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Finally, add the cold, day-old rice, breaking up any clumps with your spatula to ensure even cooking. To finish our amazing fried rice, return the scrambled eggs to the wok along with the chopped green onions. Now, it's time to season. Drizzle in 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of fragrant sesame oil. Continue to stir-fry everything together for another 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring all ingredients are well combined and heated through. Serve your perfect Yangzhou fried rice immediately and enjoy this delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.